Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am telling the contact number which is 98367930076. You can drop an email to our email ID which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us via these contact details, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI MTech or CMI, etc. So please feel free to contact us if you want any mathematical queries or doubts or anything. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem that uh, question is arrived in the question paper of ISI MTech QROR. Okay, and the question is telling us that find the number of ways in which an arrangement of four letters can be made from the letters of the word promotion. Okay. So now we are going to solve the problem. So let's break it into clear steps. Okay. So analyze the word promotion. The word promotion occurs 9 letters. Now we can easily see that. Sorry. Let us take the letter P. P is coming 1 times. So occurrence of P will be 1. So our occurrence of R will be also 1. Our occurrence of O will be 3. Occurrence of M will be 1, and T also 1, I also 1, and N also 1. Okay, this means that some letters are repeatedly, notably O, which affects the number of distinct arrangements. Okay, so now we are going to, so firstly we have to understand the task. So we need to find the number of arrangements with 4 letters selected from the letters of the promotion. The solution depends on whether repetition of the letters occur in a chosen arrangement. Okay, so now we are going to break down the cases. So we will consider all possible cases involving the repetition of letters also. So now case 1 will be what? Case 1 is telling us that here we select 4 distinct letters from the 7 unique letters PROMTIN. The number of ways to choose 4 letters, that will be 7C4. We know that 7C4, that will be equals to 7 factorial by 7 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So that will be 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So that will equals to 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. So this and this will cancel out. So we will get 35 only. Yeah. So once this case 1 is telling us that, oh okay, we have done the things for all 4 letters are distinct. Okay, distinct. Okay. So once the letters are chosen, they can arrange in 4 factorial ways also. So the total number of arrangements will be 35 into 4 factorial equals to, what is it? 35 into 24. So that will be 840. This is the total number of arrangements when all 4 letters are distinct. Now case 2 will be what? Let me write this here. For case 1, we got the total number of arrangements for all numbers are distinct. Yeah. So now we are going to think about our case 2. Let me write it first. Case 2. And that is telling us for 2 letters are same, and after and 2 others are distinct. Okay, So now here we choose the letter repeat, the letter to repeat, only O can repeat because it appears 3 times, and two additional distinct letters from the six remaining letters, which are P, R, M, T, I, N. Okay. So now what will we have? The ways to select one letter to repeat, that will be one because because it is only O, and ways to choose two distinct letters from six, that will be what? That will we know that will be 6C2, and 6C2 will be 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, so that will be 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial, so that will look like 6 into 5 by 2 factorial, that will be 2 into 1, so that will be 15. Okay. So now arrangements with these four letters, since one letter is repeated twice and the others are distinct, then the arrangements will be 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So that will be what? That will be 24 by 2. So that will be 12. So total arrangements in this case will be 15 into 12. So that will be 180. The total number of arrangements here for case 2. So now we are going to see my case 3. So two pairs of identical letters. Then here we choose two letters to repeat, because so we can say that only O can be repeated, so no other letters occurs more than once. Hence this case is not possible. So now we are going to see the three letters are same and one is distinct. That will also a possible case. Okay. So let me take case 3 as three letters are distinct. Sorry, three letters are same and one is distinct. Okay. So now the letter O, the letter to repeat 3 times, that is only O, and this case, and okay, and one additional distinct letter from the remaining six letters, that will be P, R, M, T, I, and N. So way to choose one distinct letter from these six letters will be 6C1, that will be 6. Sorry, yeah. Ways to choose one letter from six letters, that will be 61, so that is equals to 6. So after that, the total number of arrangement for this case will be what? So arrangements of the four of these four letters, since one letter is repeated 3 times, then the others are distinct. So this kind of arrangements are will be 4 factorial by 3 factorial, so that will be 24 by 6, so that will be 4. Okay. So the total number of arrangements in this case will be 6 into 4, so that is will be equals to 24. So my another case will be all four letters are same. So this is not a possible case because there are no letter which appears 4 times. So what we got? So we have to add up all the cases. Then for the case 1 we got total 840 arrangements, and for case 2 we got 180 arrangements, and for case 3 we got 24 arrangements. So the total number of arrangements will be uh, case 1 plus case 2 plus case 3 will be what? 840 plus 180 plus 24. So 180 plus 24 will be 204 plus 840. So that will not imply, that will be, yeah, equal sign. So that will be what? 1044. So the total number of arrangements will be 1044 for all valid cases. Okay. So this is the correct answer of this question. So let me write it here also so that will be easier to see. So yeah, 1044 is the correct answer of this question. So again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical query or anything, so please feel free to contact us via this contact details. So our team can arrange some doubt clearing sessions, or you can join our regular batches or one-on-one sessions or online sessions. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.